And get this, if you're walking while fidgeting, 154% to 292% increase in energy expenditure. So if you want to look like a total maniac and walk down the street and shake your hands and have people wonder what the heck you're on, well, who cares? You're burning 300% more calories, right? I guess my point in saying this is that non-exercise activity thermogenesis accounts for so much more than you think. And it's a huge way, if you just actively chew gum, do things like this, whatever, move around, be active, it makes a difference.